You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I know too many people get it wrong. They say Cishet or Cishet or Cishet. No, it's none of these. If you want to learn how to pronounce it correctly, here you go. It stands for cisgender, identifying with the sex and gender you were given at birth, cisgender, and heterosexual. You know what that means, or heterosexual. So cis, het. So treat it as two different words that are stuck together, not as a syllable, no sh syllable. Cishet, cishet. How to pronounce English pronunciation: cishet for cisgender, heterosexual. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.